My name is Harrison Platt, and I did my project with Philip McKnight. For our project, we decided that we wanted to analyze quarterbacks and receivers of the NFL. We took two data sets from ProFootballFocus.com, made them into CSV files so we could go through them in Python with pandas. Our program basically works like this, it's shown on our poster. The user chooses whether they want to analyze quarterbacks or whether they want to analyze receivers. Following that, they choose two players from those respective positions to analyze, and our program goes through specific statistics that we chose, and it spits out a graph showing who had more points at the end. Points are assigned based on who had more passing yards for quarterbacks, or for wide receivers, there's a couple different stats, who had a better drop percentage, and so forth. So let's go show you some of the code. Our code looks like this. It's pretty extensive and pretty long, a lot of if and else statements. But yeah, let's start with the quarterback. So the first prompt is choose which position you'd like to analyze by typing Q for quarterbacks or R for defense. We start with a quarterback. So after that, our program is very user-friendly and offers the 16 quarterbacks that we chose to analyze, along with a number next to their name, asking for input with the number next to their name in order to avoid spelling errors within the system. So let's go with Deshaun Watson, number 1, and let's compare him to Patrick Mahomes. So as you can see, our program spits out a graph right here, as well as an output of basically statements explaining each of the statistics that we analyzed and which quarterback did better in those. So for example, Deshaun Watson has less interceptions that are pressure than Patrick Mahomes, and so forth. You can read the other ones, and then it shows the point values that each person got compared to one another. So let's run it again. This time, let's do it for receivers. Let's type in R right here. So once again, you're given a choice of the list of receivers you're allowed to pick from, and you type in the number for the receivers you would like to analyze. So let's do Juju Smith-Schuster, and let's do T.Y. Hilton at number 8. So just like the other system, it compares the two. As you can see, these two are closer in skill, and it gives statistics such as T.Y. Hilton has a lower drop balls percentage than Juju Smith-Schuster, and so forth, and it shows a visualization of who had more points.